when you're finding the magnitude in a 3-vector problem and you're using the graphing calculator in Aleks, the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the mode and make sure that the angle types says degrees. Click OK, and then you're going to click the y equals. You're going to go ahead and add these two equations that we have highlighted here. So y equals x, click sine of 22 degrees. Click outside of that link so you can add the rest of that equation, plus 55 times the sine of 43 degrees. Highlight all of that so you can divide all of that by the sine of 70. Okay, and click the sine button and 70 for 70 degrees. Alright, double check that, looks correct. So let's go to our next equation and let's enter that information. So we're going to take x, we're going to times that by cosine, click cosine of 22 degrees, minus 55 times, click cosine 43. Again, highlight all of that information, divide it by cosine of 70. Alright, so double check your equations, make sure you've got them written correctly, and then click the graph button. You can see that we don't see anything because it doesn't fit in this window. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and click the window button. Aleks suggests you change these to negative 10,000 to positive 10,000 for your min and max values. So we'll do that real quick. Oops, don't want to do that. We need to put negative in front of that one. Okay, and then it suggests that you use auto scale, and then you can see the graph. Click OK to get out of that and to get back to the regular buttons. Okay, so now we can see what this looks like when they're graphed. Now we are going to go ahead and find where these intersect by clicking the intersect button, and then you're going to click the other intersect button, and you're going to get your x and your y coordinate. And the problem asked us to round this to the nearest. We were asked to round this to the nearest tenth. So this will be 68.1 and 67.1. Now remember, we weren't solving for x and y, we just used x and y in place of u and magnitude of u and the magnitude of v. So your final answer is the magnitude of u is 68.1, the magnitude of v is 67.1.